to?
We treat it as one game. Of course, we played really bad. Mabuti na ipanalo namin yung game 1. So, hindi naman quotient itong labanan na to. But we really played bad. But I think the more important thing for us is yung condition ni Aaron. Because that will be important for us moving forward. We actually look at the video. Kasi nung nakausap namin si Aaron, sabi niya, pumasok daw talaga yung daliri ni Ian sa loob ng mata niya. And up to the time that dinadala siya sa hospital, hindi siya makakita on his left eye. And we watched the video, and ang tingin ko sinadya. Tingin ko sinadya na maisahan nga siya, walang kami ng import. I think it needs a further investigation. But we all look at the video, and yung direction ng kamay pa ganun. Ganun, hindi man na. So, talagang yung pasok ng kamay niya, padiretso sa mata. And it was parang second motion siya. Na parang extra motion talaga siya. Makikita mo, hindi siya natural na gaganunin mo sa mata ng tao. So, let's see ano yung ng PBA. I think moving forward, that's the more important event. We have to play without an import. Mahirap naman talaga ng import ng kabilis. We only have tomorrow. But we still want to see that. I hope he's okay. But kanina, sine-check namin siya sa hospital. Hindi pa rin siya nakakita. It's gonna be a tragedy.
Coach, may winaw ko saan pong hospital din na si Aaron?
Hindi ko alam yung trainer na.
Pero namamagana ngayon na coach.
Naramdaman daw niya pumasok yung daliri sa loob ng mata niya. Hindi yung nagasgas lang hindi yung nakalmot lang. Pumasok talaga yung daliri. So, pati yung angle nung pagpasok ng mata. Hindi yung nahabang na. Hindi, that's bad. Para sa chain mo yung
Coach, how is this huge loss affect yung moral ng team going to?
I don't think so. No, it's one game. We can regroup. We can just put together siguro something na makita namin na maraming pagkakamali sa kanila. Pero yun nga, malaking sana wala kang import. Pero tingin ko kahit nandun si Aaron, matatalo pa rin kami, pero hindi naman siguro ganun kalaki. Tsaka importante, I think it will also on the moral ng mga players na nakita nila na ganun yung nangyari sa kanya. No, it could be career threatening.
Thank you, Coach.